2, 1.
Oh, come on, Joe. I thought you was finna start. Oh, well, anyhow. Doing a redo?
Nope.
Oh. Morning, everybody. Welcome to Mystic Elements. Today we're on part, what, 3, I believe?
Yeah. Part 3.
Beating this concrete up.
We got to get it done.
Taking out some rocks. Trying to get this middle home done.
Look at Power Man.
Yeah. Look at Joey over here with the sledgehammer. Got our boy here today.
He's going to help us out.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, look at the muzzle mouth now.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So we got the man of the hour here today. Both of these guys here. We're about to knock this out, get busy.
Yep.
We got a lot of ahead of us, but we did a whole bunch yesterday. So let me just recap y'all real quick. Show y'all what we got going on. Taking out all these big old boulders, removing them from out of here. Took off the door here, and this is pretty much all we got left. We want to leave a little bit of a border around here so we can, when we get ready to lay out the other cement, I'm just go through the window. You might be able to see that. We got a big old pile of gravel out here we'll lay down first, but I'm not going to talk to y'all a whole bunch. We got some work to do, and time is valuable. So y'all stick around, check us out, and let's get busy.
Yeah, man. It actually did a lot.
The waves they talk soft, breeze they carry my thoughts away. Just fine. Waves they roll, mind they clear. South that's sweet, no stress here. Palm tree sway, sky so wide. Peace they blow like ocean tide. Eyes half closed, sun they rise. Birds they fly, heart they wise. I know they rush, I know they freeze. I just they float with island breeze. Island breeze, carry me far past all my wahala. Under the stars, soft like a whisper, cool like the sea. I find myself where I'm meant to be.
I'm gonna grab my sweater because it's cold and windy. Cold and windy out here.
I'm back.
Hey, Mystic Elements. We found our next snake.
Yeah, get out of here, snake.
Anybody knows what kind this is?
It's about to attack you, Tay. Oh, never mind.
We don't know, but we ain't gonna hurt it. We gonna put it outside.
Yep.
Found that little baby.
Yeah, it's habitat.
Found that little baby right here in its own home.
Yep.
You know, it might be our property, but it's their home still. But that one's a little baby, so we ain't gonna hurt it.
How are you gonna find another one?
Let's see. Pops took him to the... Alrighty.
Okay, see you later.
Back in the wild.
Some rats.
Go eat some rats, buddy. Yeah. Cool.
Getting there, y'all. We got Ralphie coming through, cutting us some smooth lines, and we're just chipping it off from there. Next step would be to even it up. Smooth lines here. So you got to smooth all the way down pretty much. Of course, you'll see a couple of rough edges here and there, but so far so good.
Wow.
Yeah. Getting there.
Hey.
Yeah. Getting there.
Oh my goodness, look at here.
It's coming.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a big
Got
deal.
OG Papa Ralph Loaf finna put it down.
Hi, mamas. Yes, you. I
Yeah.
brought allergy pills because I knew you didn't take one.
I brought mine this time. It's real hardwood.
Y'all, we got it knocked out, y'all, about as much as we can get in here for the inside. So now we got to build it up and go from there. And we got the rest of the fam or them working on the project over here, clearing this shed out. Gotta clear out this shed because we got Mr. Joey coming back with his bobcat. And he's going to level out or clear out a lot of this area over here. But we need to see if we can, one, get this thing out of here and move it. Shouldn't be hard. Bunch of torque screws holding it down. We'll see. Yep, clearing out this shed so we can move it. They are almost done. Then we got to come back with the bobcat. Get Joey to move all this away from here. But it's got to show you some of the boulders that they put as a foundation. Again, the video doesn't show any justice, but these things are like close to 75 plus pounds, up to maybe 300. They're clearing this out, and again, once they get this little bit out, oh, I see a little mouse in there. All right. Seen a little mouse in there hiding out, huh? There you go. Well, y'all, we came to do what we came to do. We want to thank y'all for checking us out. We're about wrapping up for the day. Coming over here to Tay over here doing some stuff. We got to come back and do it like I did those couple.
Yeah.
We just have to do that another time. We got Joey. Thank you, Joey, for helping us out today. Big Unc and Big Cuz, definitely appreciate it.
As you guys saw today, we were beating up concrete and beating cheeks. So
Beating cheeks.
next time we come down, we're gonna have to, I don't know, gonna have to level out the dirt up in there, try to get some of that pile of gravel up in there. But man, y'all gonna see the next step when we show you.
Y'all, that's right. That's
Until then,
right.
Have a good one, guys.
That's
We'll
right.
see y'all after work.
Yeah, I know how we
Take it
do it
easy.
here. Different times, different place, different measures. And you know what? We out.